So this is Ember, Angie's 1994 Honda Civic EX. There's a lot of videos online showing how to remove the glove box, and they have them labeled as 92 to 2000 models. There are actually two different procedures in between the two, and when we tried to follow the instructions marked for 92 to 2000, which was actually the 96 to 2000 models, we wind up accidentally breaking a vital piece of plastic that holds the glove box together. So in this video we're going to show you how to correctly take out the glove box on a 92 to 95 Honda Civic, but I'll also show you what the difference is in between the procedure for the 92 to 95 and the 96 to 2000. So let's get to it.
So today we're doing a 92 to 95 how to remove the glove box in these cars. They're different than 96 to 2000, which is often grouped together with the 92 to 95s. This had led to me breaking my dash before, and I wanted to go ahead and make a quick video on it. So in the 92 to 95s, their glove box have these tabs on the side. As seen here, there's usually a lip right here that holds this one in, but they flip up on this side. There's another one on this side.
Here's what those look like.
Here's what it looks like with the tabs.
And there's a little tab on the plastic on that side of the dash it catches on.
And they just flip up, like so.
Here's where the little tab got broken.
So you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. I don't know if all 92 to 95 Civics have this, but mine being an EX, it has this little strut.
Yeah, I guess that's what you call a little plastic strut.
Little plastic strut that attaches here to the glove box. You just need a Phillips head, and you need to get a good grip and just unscrew it. You may have to hold onto it to give it a little more grip. But just unscrew that, and you can gently push that off and it'll pull it back. I always put the screw back for safekeeping. And then if you go here, you can flip this up, and this will come all the way down, giving you full access. You can remove these by taking these two bolts out, by taking the bolts out on this side and the bolts out on this side, which will remove this whole piece, removing this if you need it out of the way.
I believe those are 10 millimeter.
They can be taken out with Phillips head if they are stock bolts. As you see, that one is not a stock bolt. Well, this one, and this one can be taken out with a Phillips head. This is not stock.
Yeah.
We've had to replace several bolts. I'm just gonna flip that up in my hand. Usually there is two screws here that are Phillips heads. Due to this being a much older box and, well, having to pry on it to get it out the first time, I ended up breaking the screws out, stripping that hole.
Well, that sat in the field for a while, so it got kind of sun-baked too for quite a while.
In order to get the rest of the glove box out, you just Phillips head screw and undo these screws on both sides. Take that out. That side will drop down, and then repeat the same on the other side. Remove the screw, and the glove box will come out. Oh, they have tire information in here. How have I not seen that? Just remove the screws, and the thing should drop.
Yeah, and that's a lot different compared to the 96 to 2000s.
Yes.
Do we want to go show them what a 96 to 2000 looks like?
Yeah. So the 96 to 2000s come down, and if you look, they don't have the metal tabs that flip. You actually get a really good look at them on this side. It just has this rubber stopper. It does not move. It's just a simple rubber stopper. And with these, you just push in the sides. This one's being a little bit stubborn. Push in the sides, and they come down.
And then the rest is pretty much the same process.
Yeah.
Except for it doesn't have a little strut on the side of it like the other one. But it's just Phillips heads for the rest of it.
4 Phillips heads, yeah.
But yeah, because of that, all the instructionals we found online tell you to do it this way.
For the 92.
For 92 to 95, but they are not the same. And this one's a 2000, which is the same from 96 to 2000. But that's the difference.